Imagine hitting the open road, but instead of a basic camper van, you're stepping into a palace on wheels. Panoramic windows, marble bathrooms, rooftop terraces, wine fridges. This isn't just RVing, this is luxury travel redefined. Today, we're counting down the top 5 real-life luxury motorhomes that blur the line between home, hotel, and road trip. Buckle up, the road to opulence starts now. Now let's dive in. For each motorhome, highlight what makes it special, some specs, and why it stands out. 1. Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo. This Austrian-designed monster is perhaps the ultimate statement in mobile luxury. The eleMMent Palazzo from Marchi Mobile features a sculptural, yacht-inspired design and costs around US $3 million. What sets it apart? A built-in roof terrace, sky lounge you access via hydraulic mechanism, giving expansive outdoor living space on wheels. King-size bedroom, rainfall shower, ultra-premium finishes. Only a handful built per year. Bespoke customization. Why we love it? It's not just a motorhome, it is a moving luxury residence. If you want the wow factor, this is it. 2. Newmar King Aire. Next up, the Newmar King Aire. Based in the US, this is a diesel-push luxury motorhome built on a tag-axle chassis and designed for serious road travel in ultra-comfort. Key highlights: 605 HP engine, full-size coach dimensions, 45 FT length for an expansive interior. Gourmet kitchen with Wolf-ER, induction cooktop, Viking IR, appliances, king-size bed, premium materials. Starting price over US $1.7 million. Why it matters? This is a go-anywhere luxury home on wheels, perfect for travelers who don't want to sacrifice refinement for mobility. 3. Brabus Big Boy 1200. If you like gaudy, bold, over-the-top, the Brabus Big Boy 1200 delivers. Built by Brabus in collaboration with STX Motorhomes, this is more land yacht than motorhome. Standout features: 12 inner length, 2 electrically extendable slide-outs each side to widen the living space to 4.5 inner width. Brabus. Salon with luxury seating, 43D 4K television, PlayStation 5, satellite internet. Spa-style bathroom, heated flooring, full kitchen, wine fridge. Why it's on this list? When you want tech, style, and attention-turning design, this is the motorhome that says, "Look at me." 4. Featherlite coaches, Platinum Plus. Not all luxury motorhomes look like typical RVs. Some are full-blown luxury coaches built for the elite. Featherlite Coaches is one such brand. What to know? Their Platinum Plus series and similar has been described as among the most expensive luxury coaches ever built. Custom interiors, premium materials, high attention to craftsmanship. Ideal for those who want chauffeur-style travel or use as mobile living, not office on the move. Why it counts? It broadens our list beyond just motorhomes to the full luxury coach class. 5. Prevost. Conversion coaches, rounding out the list. Prevost-based motorhomes conversion coaches. Prevost has a century of experience in motor coach manufacturing and partners with elite converters to create high-end luxury motorhomes. Platform built for strength, quiet ride, long-haul travel. Perfect for owners who want an ultra-custom build and are prepared to invest significantly. Why it earns its slot? Because luxury travel on wheels isn't just about the brand name motorhome. The conversion market takes it to next-level customization. Before we move on to a quick bonus pick, make sure you hit that like button if you are redreaming of a mobile mansion like one of these. Also, comment below which one you'd take on your dream road trip. Now, bonus time. While not in the main top 5, worth a mention, the $2.5 million mega mansion on wheels, described as having dual kitchens, movie theater, king bed suite, etc. It shows how far the luxury motorhome market has gone, more custom home than camper van. What to consider before buying. Okay, you're drooling over these beasts. But let's get real. Before you decide to live out of a mega luxury motorhome, here are some things to think about. Size and drivability. Many of these are huge. You'll need space to park, maybe special licenses. Maintenance and service. Premium coaches need premium care. Find service centers. Fuel and running costs. Big engines, luxury amenities, higher costs. Residual value and purpose. Are you planning full-time living, travel, events? Customization versus off-the-shelf. Some prefer bespoke builds versus ready models. Luxury is fun, but practicality still matters. So there you have it, 5 of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes on the planet. Which one was your favorite? The sleek Newmar, the outrageous Brabus, or the ultra-custom Prevost build? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mobile luxury, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got more eye-opening travel, gear, and lifestyle content coming your way. Until next time, may your road be smooth, your views spectacular, and your home on wheels utterly unforgettable. Safe travels.